concrete jungle. Can you believe this place was refreshing every single day?
Tell me about it. Remember when Mrs. Reyes had that amazing garden? Now it's just rocks.
Yeah, the whole was shutting down. Well, not informed though, but what's this?
Looks like a seed. What's so special about that?
I don't know, but it feels important, like it's the last one.
I don't know.
Okay, I've analyzed the soil samples. Basically, it's dead. No nutrients, full of chemicals.
So, this is it? It's strong? It needs to grow?
The watering system is almost ready. It's eco-friendly, uses recycled waters.
And I'm making a sign to let everyone know that we're bringing life back to this place.
We need a place to plant it, somewhere safe where it can get sunlight.
But about the old playground, it's abandoned, but it gets a lot of sun.
This place is creepy.
But it has potential. We can make it beautiful again.
Okay guys, where's Ava?
It's just there, cleaning the space for
What are you doing, Ava? I'm just cleaning something for the seed.
We did it guys, we made a difference.
It's just the beginning.
Once it can make a difference.